Michael Cardamone once again for Northeast Factory Direct, and we are at their new East Side location. Joining us once again, Alex Nummett, the owner. Alex, congratulations. We're finally in the new space. Tell us what's going on.
So really proud of our team. We've just been working 24 hours a day to get into this space and get open. And we have our doors open now. We're putting hot tubs on the floor. We're setting up our kitchen cabinet showroom, our dining room area. We still got a lot of work to do.
I mean, it's literally being taken out of boxes as we speak.
Yeah.
So when people do come in, they need to realize it's a work in progress.
Exactly. Our grand opening is November 24th.
That's Black Friday.
It is Black Friday, but that's not the reason, but it's Black Friday here every day.
Yeah, so if you want to learn more, go to northeastfactorydirect.com. It's in the old Blvd appliance building in Euclid. It's a staple. You can't miss it. Alex, congrats.